Hi viewers! For some of you, getting rid of moles, warts, and skin tags using surgical methods might seem scary and even unnecessary. If you have unsightly moles, warts, and skin tags, you don't have to resort to surgery, as there are effective home methods that you can use to get rid of them. In today's video, using remedies at home, we'll show you how you can free your skin of these unsightly skin lesions, from using apple cider vinegar, garlic, aloe vera, bananas, to pure raw honey and many more. Watch until the end to find out what they are. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been found to be very effective for the removal of moles, with the acetic acid in vinegar causing the moles to burn, scab, and then fall off. It's fairly easy to use. Dip a cotton ball in the vinegar and place it on the mole. Cover it with a bandage, gauze, or medical tape. Leave it overnight and repeat this method for almost 10 days. As an alternative method, you can first scrape the mole with an emery board and then apply the vinegar. Leave it until the mole turns white. This method can be tried several times a day until you get the desired result. Before using vinegar, do a test and make sure you're not allergic. Apply some vinegar on a small area of your skin. It would sting and then calm, but if irritation continues for longer, then you should not use it. And if you're not allergic to vinegar, you should first apply a layer of petroleum jelly around the mole area before you apply the vinegar for the sake of protection. Number 2. Pure raw honey. You may be surprised by the mention of honey on this list, but the fact is that honey has antibacterial properties that make it effective for removing moles and warts without being harsh on your skin. Mix a teaspoon of honey with a dash of flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is also an effective agent in removing moles, and by adding it to honey, you only boost its intensity. Apply it generously on your mole and allow it to dry for 2 to 3 hours. Then rinse off with cool water. Do this twice daily for about a month, and that ugly mole will fall off. Enjoy this list till now? Well, keep watching, because there's a lot more good stuff coming up. But before moving on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates. Number 3. Baking soda and castor oil. The combination of baking soda and castor oil is highly recommended for the removal of moles for various reasons. First, this remedy is highly effective, though a bit slow. Second, this mixture would not leave the scars of the moles once it's fallen off. And most importantly, the castor oil comes with the discutient properties to stop the growth of the moles. Take a tablespoon of baking soda and 4 to 5 drops of castor oil. Mix the ingredients well and make a thick paste. Apply it on the mole before you go to bed and cover it with gauze or medical tape to work all night. Remove it and wash your face with fresh water when you wake up in the morning. It can take a month or more to let you get rid of that mole. Number 4. Flaxseed oil. If your moles are raised, big, and a bit hard to remove, then you should try out the flaxseed remedy. The seeds would create flexibility in the mole, making it loose around the edges, making them leave the skin easily and fast. Use some ground flax seeds with honey to make a paste. Apply this paste on your mole and let it work for an hour. Wash it off after an hour and use this remedy 2 to 3 times a day. Honey, being antibacterial, would save your skin from any infection of aftermath scars. Number 5. Pineapple juice. Pineapple juice contains citric acid that dissolves moles and makes it fall off within a few days. Dip a cotton ball in pineapple juice and apply it to the mole. Leave it on your mole for at least 4 hours or overnight. Repeat it every day until the mole fades away. This is an effective home remedy that helps lighten the pigmentation of the mole and makes it less noticeable. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic is a great herb in the kitchen, and it can help in removing warts. Mash some garlic to make a juice and apply it on the wart and cover it with a band-aid. Repeat the process twice a day until the wart disappears. Garlic contains enzymes that help break down the clusters of pigment-producing cells, and this is why it's one of the most effective home remedies for moles. Plus, it helps lighten the dark pigmentation. Simply crush a fresh garlic clove and place it over the mole. Cover it with a bandage and leave it for the night. Follow the same procedure for a few days. The mole will then fall off naturally. To disinfect the area, clean the area with any disinfectant before repeating the process every day. Also, apply some coconut oil to protect the skin surrounding the mole. Number 7. Banana peel. Banana peel contains proteolytic enzyme that eats away at warts. It may be a little tricky to use though. Use a spoon to scrape away the soft, white substance on the inside of the peel and apply it to your wart. Cover the wart with an adhesive bandage. Repeat daily for best results. Number 8. Lemon juice. Lemon juice has skin bleaching and astringent properties. This causes the mole to become lighter and eventually form a scab and fall off. Dip a cotton ball in lemon juice and place it on the mole. Secure the cotton in place using the tape. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Do this twice a day and see the mole disappear. Number 9. Use clove oil. Clove oil is very effective in removing moles. Put a few drops of clove essential oil on a cotton swab. Put the swab on the mole, wetting it well. Next, put a few drops of carrier oil on a small section of cotton. Add a few drops of clove essential oil. Place the wetted cotton over the mole and cover with an adhesive bandage. The cotton is wetted with both the essential oil and carrier oil, keeping the cotton and the mole wet. Leave the bandage on for 24 hours. Do this every day until the mole falls off, which it may do in pieces or all at once. Stop if skin irritation occurs. Number 10. Oregano Oil. To get rid of those skin overgrowths, consider using oregano oil, which has antipasmotic and antiseptic properties. Apply the oil directly to the skin tag and tie a silk thread or thin dental floss around the base of the skin tag. Keep it there and apply the oil daily. After 2 weeks or so, the skin tag should fall off. Cover it with a Band-Aid once this happens. Number 11. Use a freezing kit. You can use a product containing liquid nitrogen to freeze off skin tags. These products are often available in drugstores and pharmacies. As always, follow instructions. Several applications may be necessary before the growth falls away, but this typically occurs within 10 days. The spray should not come into contact with the surrounding skin. You may want to apply some petroleum jelly to the area around the tag for protection. Number 12. Iodine. To get fast results, you can grab some iodine tincture for diminishing of your awkward mole. At the drugstore, get a 2% iodine tincture and apply it to remove your unwanted moles. It would kill the pigmentation-producing cells and shatter the cluster, finally making it vanish. Clean the area with warm water and let it dry. Apply a layer of petroleum jelly to prohibit the further pigmentation. Use 1 drop of iodine directly on the mole. If the mole is flat, you can scrape it up with an emery board before the application of iodine. Cover the area with tape or gauze if you're applying it before going to bed. Use this method for a week or 2 for best results. Number 13. Aloe Vera. Whenever we talk about natural beauty tips, aloe vera gel is always on the list with amazing skin benefits. And we've discovered one more wonderful achievement: its effective use for removing warts. Anti-acidic, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties of aloe vera make it really effective in wart removal. It would not only kick out the wart but also avoid any infection while treating without any irritation, pain, or redness or rashes. Take an aloe vera leaf and cut it into halves to get the gel. Apply the gel directly to your wart and cover it with cotton and tape. Leave it there for 3 to 4 hours and then wash it off. Repeat this remedy 3 times a day. It can take a month or more to give you the results. Are you susceptible to moles, warts, or skin tags? Have you ever tried removing any of them using a home remedy? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.